Hello everyone, greeting to the amazing mentors and team at Google and Kaggle. My name is Harshit Agarwal representing Team BayMax in the 5-day AI Agent Intensive Capstone course project. Today I am presenting BayMax, a gentle health companion AI agent inspired by Big Hero 6. Our goal was to build an AI agent for good, a tool that helps users with simple wellness guidance, calorie insights, and water tracking. These agents run fully locally using the Google Gemma-2B-IT model. In my demo conversations, BayMax introduced itself politely as caring health assistant. When I asked general wellness questions like how can I improve my wellness, how much exercise should I do daily, BayMax responded with safe, simple health guidance such as 7 to 9 hours of sleep, 20 to 30 minutes of daily exercise. Then I checked its knowledge base using KB command where BayMax listed calorie informations for common food. When I ended the session with I am satisfied with my care, BayMax closed the conversation gently like the character in the movie. Here is my GitHub repository project structure. Agent.py contains the BayMax persona knowledge base for foods and health tips, water and calorie logging, local model loading, chat loop and custom exit logic. Here is my README file. Explain the code, shows setup steps, how to run BayMax, notes on Hugging Face access. Building BayMax has been an amazing experience from designing the persona, creating the knowledge system, adding logging to running an LLM fully locally. Thank you Google, Kaggle and all the instructors for this powerful 5-day learning journey. On the behalf of Team BayMax, thank you for watching. And as BayMax would say, I will be here if you need further care.